1970 to 1990s. In 1973, Bob TouchPad created by Ichiro Kato. This was the first step towards building a humanoid robot. Babot walked with his lower limbs and was able to grip and transport objects with his hands. In 1984, Bob TouchPad was created at Waseda University. It was the successor of Babot 1. It was capable of playing a piano. In this period, Deep Blue was created by IBM. It defeated the chess grandmaster, Garry Kasparov, in 1997. Kismet, a robot developed by Professor Cynthia Breazeal, could recognize and was capable of copying human emotions with its face.